In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain using Hubspot DNS settings. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, making it simple and easy to follow. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your domain seamlessly integrated with your HubSpot account, allowing you to maximize the use of HubSpot's tools for your business. First, let's head over to the HubSpot website. If you don't already have it bookmarked, you can find it by typing hubspot.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage, as it has plenty of useful resources and tools for businesses of all types and sizes. Now, on the top right corner of the page, you should see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need your account credentials, so have your email and password ready. If you're not registered yet, you'll need to sign up for a HubSpot account before proceeding. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home. It's the central hub where you can access all your tools and manage your data effectively. From here, look for the settings button. It's typically found in the main navigation bar or under the profile icon. Click on settings to proceed. Settings is where you can adjust and control most aspects of your HubSpot account, so it's a good idea to become familiar with this section. Next, once you're in the settings, look for the content section. This is a critical part as it houses various tools for managing your website and content. Click on it and you'll begin to see options related to how your content is structured and served on the web. Under the Content tab, locate Domains and URLs. This section plays a pivotal role in connecting your domain. Click on it, which will lead you to a page listing any domains you might have already set up or connected in HubSpot. You're now only a couple of steps away. Look for the Connect a Domain button. It's usually prominently displayed to make the process straightforward. Click on it and HubSpot will guide you through entering and verifying your domain information, updating your DNS settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If at any point you feel stuck or unsure, HubSpot provides handy tooltips and help links all throughout the process. You can also check out their extensive help documentation online, which covers these steps in detail. And there you have it, you've successfully connected your domain in HubSpot. This integration will allow you to take full advantage of HubSpot's marketing, sales, and service tools, all under your personalized domain. If you have more questions or need further assistance with your HubSpot account, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team or explore their learning resources. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.